Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to back up your WordPress website. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. On the left side, go to Plugins, then click Add New. In the search bar, type All-in-One WP Migration. When it shows up, click Install Now. After it installs, click Activate. Once the plugin is active, you'll see a new menu item on the left called All-in-One WP Migration. Hover over it and click on Export. Now you're on the Export page. This is where you can create a full backup of your website. Click on the green Export to button. A small menu will appear. Choose File. The plugin will start preparing the backup. This may take a minute depending on the size of your site. Once it's ready, a button will appear that says Download. Click it to save the backup file to your computer. This file contains your entire website, your content, media, themes, plugins, and database. Store this file somewhere safe, like on an external drive or cloud storage. That's it. Your site is now backed up. Thanks for watching.